Hello students, today we will start Newton's third law of motion. What is this Newton's third law of motion? Before this we have read Newton's first law of motion and Newton's second law of motion. Today we will do Newton's third law of motion. What is Newton's third law of motion? See, if a body is moving, when any one object, this is one object, when any one object will exert force on the other object, this body is applying force on this object. A body is there and this is B body. Body A is applying force on body B, and the second object, this body B, will also exert force on body A, but in the opposite direction. So these two forces F1 and F2, they will be in, their magnitude will be equal, but they are in opposite direction. See, direction of F1 to this side and direction of F2 to this side. They are in equal in magnitude, but they are in opposite direction. So that's why we will write F1 is equal to minus of F2. Negative sign only shows here that they both are in opposite direction. So these two forces F1 and F2, they are acting on the different objective. They are acting on the different object, but simultaneously. Simultaneously means at a time. When force F1 is acting, that same time F2 is acting on the body A, but they are on the different object. F1 acting on body B, but F2 is acting on the body A. You can see that when one person running from this side and one person running and coming from this side, if they will strike with each other, they will collide with each other from their head, then this person will apply force on this person and this person will apply force on this person, and both will get hurt. So what we can say, it means these two forces, this force will act on this body and this person will exert force on this body. It means pair of forces is there here, not single force will be there here, pair of forces is acting. So these two forces are there, so that's why we are saying it pair. So this pair is called action and reaction forces. Means one body is doing action, other body is doing reaction in the opposite direction. Clear that? You can see here, this example is there in your book. This is a spring B and this is a spring A. From spring B, it is tied with a wall, and from spring A, a person is pulling it. So when a force is applied through the free end of spring A, when we will apply force here, then what will be happen? When we will pull it, then spring A and spring B both will show the same reading. How it is possible? Means how much spring A is applying force on B, that in same amount spring B is applying force on the spring A. So that's why they both will show same reading. So it means this spring is showing action and this is showing reaction. So from here, one more definition we can say of Newton's third law. Every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction. For every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So this is called Newton's third law of motion. So always these forces are acting simultaneously, but simultaneously means at a time both forces acting together, but on the different objects. Clear? So when one more example is there, when a gun is fired. When gun is fired, it exert forward force on the bullet, but which bullet is there, bullet present in the gun, it exert equal but opposite force on the gun. When we will fire the gun is fired, which a gun will exert forward force this side, but which bullet is present inside, bullet will exert force in the opposite direction but in the equal amount. So this result in recoil of the gun, then this bullet will come out of the gun. And since the gun has a much greater mass than the bullet, which gun is there, its mass is greater than the bullet, the acceleration of the gun is much less than the acceleration of the bullet. That's why Newton's third law of motion can also be illustrated when a sailor, that also we can say, when any person who is in the boat, when he wants to come out of the boat, then also he jump forward and the force on the boat moves it backward. When he will jump from the boat, like see here, when he will jump from the boat, then this force will push this boat backward. So this is also equal, he is jumping to the forward side but this boat is going to the backward side. It means equal but opposite reaction. This is in the forward direction, this is in the backward direction. Direction is opposite, this is this side and this is to another side, but amount will be same of the force. How much he will come forward, that much same this boat will move backward. So this was the Newton's third law of motion.